Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to see Instagram password even if you forgot it. So it's not pretty simple, but I'll tell you how to do. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to tell you that there is no any direct way to see your Instagram password from Instagram. Don't worry about it, I'll tell you how to do. So you just have to tap on below right corner of your profile. Now you have to tap on a top right corner of lines, which is options button. Now you have to tap on settings and privacy, and here you have to tap on account center. After tapping on account center, you have to tap on password and security, and when you hit on change password, then tap on Instagram. As you can see that there is no any direct way to check your Instagram password, your current Instagram password. And why you need Instagram password? Because you want to log into another devices or some new devices, you need to input the password. So that's why you want to check your Instagram password or current password. So what you can do is you just have to go back, and you have to tap on saved login and tap on Instagram and toggle on this option, which is saved login. After toggle on the saved option, then what you can do is this option allow you to save your current Instagram credentials, which are your username and password. It saved your usernames and password to your Google Chrome or your iCloud ID. Whenever you sign in, even in a new device with your Google account or your iCloud account, you can easily connect it to your Instagram account with the help of this feature. This feature will allow you to directly log in without inputting email or username or password. So another thing, what if you want to see what is your current password? So what you can do is you just have to tap on the saved login and toggle on it. Now what you have to do is you just have to open up any browser. You have to search for instagram.com. Now you have to tap on login. Now after tapping on login, what you can do is it will autofill your password. So because I have not allowed this feature, so that's why there is no autofill feature here, but in your device it will autofill your Instagram credentials, username or password. You guys can easily access your Instagram password and you guys can see your Instagram password. This information find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.